Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the Euro USD. Let's see if it will offer us a profitable trading opportunity. We have a nice demand zone waiting for us at the bottom. Price could drop all the way down here. Let's check the different time frames to see how the chart looks. Yeah, when we drop to the 3-minute chart, the change of character should be much clearer. As you can see, price gave a very nice change of character. But do I jump straight into the trade? No, no, no. I'm going to enter the trade once the price gives a pullback. So, right in this zone. This is how my trade setup will look. The first demand zone below, I mean this zone right here, is my first TP level. As you can see, before even entering the trade, my stop loss and take profit targets are already set. This is how a proper trade setup should be. Every single time, you must know exactly what you stand to lose and what you stand to gain before even taking the trade. You should never put more on the table than what you are willing to win. Risk management is the heart of trading. If you're struggling with this, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments. I'll be getting back to every single one. I am just waiting for the price now. My setup is ready, just waiting for it to tap into my entry zone. I'm just switching between time frames like this. Normally, you shouldn't be sitting in front of the charts, waiting like this all the time. But since I am going to show you exactly how I trade from start to finish, I'm staying here and waiting. Look, these candles haven't been able to fill the price gap yet. What does this mean? It means there are price gaps left below. The price gap is right here. This is the gap. I'm waiting for it to fill. By the way, I'm explaining this trade in great detail because it's packed with valuable information. If you're still struggling to read the charts and you stumbled upon this video, watch it carefully until the very end. Don't skip a second. And we are officially in the trade right now. How do you think this will end? Will we hit the stop loss or take profit? Drop your comments right at this point. Normally, I shouldn't be staying in front of the chart like this. We've done the analysis and opened the trade. Now, we need to trust our analysis. If you're constantly staying in front of the chart, wondering if it went up or down, it means your analysis isn't right. Also, staying in front of the chart leads to wrong decisions. You start questioning the trade with every rising or falling candle. Yes, I'm continuing to wait and watching what the price is doing. Here, the price shows a change of character in the internal movement. This is a good sign. But it would be better if the price moved away with big solid red candles. For now, giving a change of character is also a good sign. But look, the wicks of the red candles formed here are longer on the bottom side. This is also a good sign. It means it's clearing out the buyer's orders at the bottom. Let's wait and see what happens. Look, the price has formed a bearish coil candle structure here. This is also a great bearish candle structure. The price has given many bearish formations here. But let's see if it will manipulate or just drop straight down. I hope it doesn't hit our stop loss. It formed a bullish engulfing here. The price could push higher. Normally, After forming so many bearish patterns, you'd expect it to drop with big red candles, but I think it's going to manipulate. See, if I weren't looking at the chart right now, none of this would even cross my mind. That's why I'm saying, looking at the chart after entering a trade constantly misleads you. If I were a beginner trader, I would probably panic and close the trade, even at this tiny upward move. Yes, I couldn't take it anymore and I closed the chart and left. Look at the chart now that I'm back. Wow. Price has done the manipulation and left behind equal size. But look at how it dropped after that. Before the drop, the price formed another manipulation zone by creating a double top. It's accumulating more sellers at these highs so that when the price returns later, it can hunt those stop losses. When you check the chart occasionally like this, try to predict the price's next move at the same time. It's just like a game of chess. And there it is. Those big red candles we wanted finally showed up. I'm curious, which formation do you use the most as an entry model when taking a trade? Could you write your most successful entry model in the comments? Friends, the reason I started making these videos is that there is really a lack of proper information in the market. Rather than just drawing lines and showing things on paper, I believe it much more beneficial to explain through live trades I actually take. That's why each and every one of your comments is very valuable to me. Don't hesitate to comment and ask questions. Only by supporting each other can we move to the winning side. That's exactly why I started this channel. And I'm trading to help those who just can't seem to access the right information. I hope explaining it over a live trade like this is helpful for you. Even if I help just one person and get them to the winning side, that's enough for me. Yes, I closed the chart and left, and then my alarm went off. We hit our TP. Let's go, come on man. This is the kind of happiness you feel when your analysis turns out to be right. That's the pure joy of outsmarting the market. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. I wish everyone success and great profits in their trades. See you in the next video. Take care.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are